Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I'm going to be doing a Stitchfix unboxing for you. Here's the box. Let's see what I got inside here. If you don't know about Stitchfix, this is a $20 a month styling fee. If you've been with Stitchfix for a little bit of time, they'll offer you a styling pass where you pay a one-time fee of $49. I did that, so I have the style pass, and in the box you get a card from your stylist, something about a gift card, return envelope, and then the price sheet. So we have that here. Okay, if you want to keep watching, let's get to it. Okay, so on the sides here, I'm gonna have a little picture of the product or the item, and then on the side I'm gonna have the try on. So the first item I have here are these jeans. They're really cute. I absolutely love them. I hope they fit. They're like stretchy. They are Studio Blue knit distressed skinny jean in size 0, and they are $68. Next item we have here is this top. Really pretty. I love this color down here. It's a tie in the back, looks like. And this is the Kayla Breyer mixed material halter top, and that is $44. Next item is this Calvin Klein top here. And this is the Suit Separates Kerosene Tulip Sleeve Blouse extra small, and that is $58. The next item I have here is a maxi dress. It's really pretty. Only thing I'm concerned with is possibly seeing through it. I love it. It's really long. It has a little slit up the side, and let's read what it is. It is the French Gray Nicolette's side slit maxi dress in extra small, French gray, and it's $58. Next is another maxi dress, and let's see what it says. Okay, it's kind of V-neck, front and back. This is the pattern here, and let's read what it is. It is the Renee C. Win Knit Maxi Dress in Coral Extra Small, and that is $78. Okay, so the total for my box is $306, and buy all 5 discount is $76.50, which comes to $229.50. At the end of the video, I'll let you know what I kept, if anything, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, what's up? I'm just coming back to you and telling you what I kept. I'm keeping this dress. It's really pretty, and I absolutely love it. I love the jeans, but I really don't need another pair. I'm probably gonna regret it later, but I'm probably not gonna keep them. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.